How much wood would how much wood would how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood with?
How much wood would how much wood would a wood how much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? It's too difficult.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood?
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Peter Piper picked a bag of pickled peppers.
Peter picked a pack of pickled peppers.
Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers.
Who's Peter? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore. See?
I wish to wish the wish. You wish to wish, but if you wish the wish, the wish wishes. I won't wish the wish you wish to wish.
I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the witch's wish, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish.
I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the witch wishes, I will not wish the wish you wish to wish.
I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the witch wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish.
I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the witch wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish.
What's here? Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought some better butter to make the butter better.
Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better.
Betty bought some butter, but the butter was better, so Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better.
Betty bought some butter, but the butter was better, so Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better.
He threw 3 free throws.
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 When I was on Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
A proper copper coffee pot.
A proper Cooper coffee pot.
A proper Cooper coffee pot.
A proper coffee pot. A proper copper coffee pot.
A proper copper coffee pot.
She stood on the balcony.
She stood on the balcony expectantly, mimicking him. I think it's way too hard. Hiccuping and can you skip this?
Yes. She stood on the balcony, inexplicably mimicking him, hiccuping and amicably welcoming him home.
Okay. She stood on the balcony, implacably mimicking him, hiccuping and amicably welcoming him home.
Talk with.
Now throw you in the water.
No, it's not. Okay.